Yo, viewing audience, which do you prefer more? Complimentary restaurant food or restaurant advertising? I think that I like complimentary restaurant food better, the kind that you can just eat if you feel like it. Although the kind that, well, restaurants where they compliment you when you eat your food, I don't know if I've tried that or not. Anyway, here's how to do it. Use truth detection software similar to calligraphy, where a computer has the person going to the restaurant for the very first time. It has them reply to a few questions. The computer asks if they've been to the restaurant previously. They ask the computer, or the computer asks them if they've viewed the items that are available at the restaurant. The computer asks them if it's the kind of restaurant that they'd be willing to go to in the future if they really like the food. Then what the computer does is it decides that the truth value of all those statements is high, if the truth value of all those statements is high, and then the person gets a complimentary meal. Now, the reason that that's cheaper than food advertising is when I looked at the amount of effort spent to advertise food, the numeric value of that was larger in some cases than the amount of money that the food actually would cost to produce. Thus, anybody could go up to any of these restaurants and just get a complimentary meal based on the fact that it was the first time they'd been there, or perhaps just the first time they'd been there that year or month. Then, with the software figuring out that they were a highly likely, highly qualified possible future restaurant visitor, they would get their complimentary meal. This would be quite beneficial, and it would possibly bring people to a wider variety of restaurant flavors as well.